In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix TikTok invalid parameters error, update app, clear cache, and login fix. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you are having a stable internet connection, or you can switch the Wi-Fi and mobile data for better connectivity. Or you just have to restart your router if the issue persists. Then toggle the aeroplane mode on and off to refresh the connection.
Fix to update the app. For that, you have to open the Google Play Store, then tap on the profile icon. Here you can see a name called Manage App and Device. Click on that, and here you can see a update available. Click on that, and here you have to look for TikTok and just click on the update button.
Fix 3. Restart the app. You just have to close the TikTok app completely and remove the TikTok from the recent apps list. Then you have to just reopen the TikTok app again. Fix 4. Clear cache and data. On your Android, you have to move to the settings, then you have to select apps option, then there you have to locate the TikTok from the list of apps. Then tap on the storage and cache. Choose the clear cache option to delete all the cache. On your iOS, you just have to move to the phone setting, then tap on general. Then select the iPhone storage. There you have to look TikTok from that list. Choose the offload app to keep setting and remove cache. Then you have to just reopen the TikTok app again. Fix 5. Reinstall the TikTok. First of all, you just have to uninstall the TikTok from your device, then restart your device. Again, you have to reinstall the TikTok from your Play Store or App Store and log in back into your account. Fix 6. Re-log in to your account. Open the TikTok app and navigate to your profile. Then tap on the setting to find out a logout option. Then you have to wait for a few seconds. After logging out, log in again to your account. So this all help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.